PayPal right now, right, down 60% from all-time highs. I think this is insane how the market is right now, but we can see down big. Another thing, right, I'm not huge into metrics, but I just like to see how things are. It's not at the end of the day any form of invest a huge part in my investment thesis, but we can see PayPal's price to sales ratio is at 4.6. These are values kind of seen in 2016, 2017. This is a company that has Venmo and other digital wallets, so they have increased their overall user base. Some other things I want to just show: trailing 12 months, this is a company gross profits continue to kind of see a nice uptrend here. Next, I just want to show fundamentally, right, balance sheet. They have plenty of cash in their balance sheet. They do have a nice amount of debt, but trailing 12 months, they have about $6.4 billion in cash flow from operations. So at the moment, just from looking obviously in the top end, things don't look too bad for PayPal. I know PayPal recently has kind of revamped their application to create the new PayPal app, which it's pretty cool. They have things like buy now, pay later. Not something I'm a fan of, but I know we're seeing still a nice amount of user growth using applications like that. They've also kind of mentioned, kind of provided a little bit more crypto solutions. For example, if you kind of buy crypto with PayPal, you can kind of pay through it. It's pretty much just kind of changing your crypto to your current fiat and then making the transaction there. And another few things I wanted to mention is, even though growth is not as big as it was in 2020, and obviously 2020 should not, it's going to be a very hard comp, but we can see this most recent year of 2021, they just finished their fiscal year. They grew net new active accounts by over 48.9 million, and most of that was actually organic growth. The other thing that I thought was super interesting was that total payment volume continuing to grow. Again, we're still seeing improvements in operating cash flow and free cash flow. This company has been impacted somewhat with kind of pushing off from eBay, and it might be kind of giving it. If you're just looking at top values, those number growth don't seem as strong. But if you exclude eBay, this is a company that's continuing, in my opinion, to show strong market fundamentals. I do want to say, right, at the end of the day, PayPal, and there's numerous other fintech solutions, so the overall increase of other competition can also be hurting this company. But to me, this is definitely one to keep an eye out, especially with the growth that it's seeing right now.